Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily English. I am Olivia.
And I am Liam. Hello, we are happy to see you.
Today we have a new lesson. It is about hotels. You will learn how to check in.
We will use easy English. Very simple words, very short sentences. You will understand everything.
This is good for beginners. It is perfect for travel. Let us start the lesson. Okay, Liam. Our story continues. You are at the hotel. You are outside the door. You have your bags. What do you do now?
I walk inside. The hotel lobby is big. I see a desk. A person stands there. That person is the receptionist.
You walk to the desk. The receptionist will help you. Let us do a role play. I will be the receptionist.
And I will be the traveler.
Good evening. Welcome to our hotel.
Good evening.
Do you have a booking with us?
Yes, I have a booking.
What is your name, please?
My name is Liam Smith.
Smith. Liam Smith. One moment, please. Yes, I see it. You stay for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, correct. 3 nights.
Good. I need to see your passport, please.
Okay. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Okay, all done. Here is your passport back.
Thank you.
Good. This is the first part. You give your name. You show your passport. It is easy.
Yes, it is very simple. Now the receptionist will give me a key. But I have questions first. Many travelers have questions.
Yes, it is good to ask questions. Let us continue the role play. You can ask your questions now.
Your room is 402. Here is your key.
Thank you. I have some questions.
Yes, of course. Please ask.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10. 7 in the morning to 10 in the morning.
7 to 10. Okay. Where is breakfast?
The restaurant is there, on the first floor, next to the lobby.
On the first floor. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the hotel has free Wi-Fi.
Oh, good. What is the password?
The password is Hotel 123, all small letters.
Hotel 123. Okay.
It is on your key card. See? The password is here.
Ah, yes. I see it. Thank you.
Good. Now I know about breakfast and Wi-Fi. This is very important information.
You asked very good questions. What time is breakfast? Where is breakfast? Does the room have Wi-Fi? What is the password? These are perfect questions.
But sometimes there is a problem. You go to your room. Something is wrong. You must tell the hotel.
Yes, that is true. It is important to know how to report a problem. You must be polite. Let us do another role play for this.
Okay, I will go to my room, room 402. Then I see a problem. I will call the front desk.
Front desk, hello. How can I help you?
Hello. This is Liam Smith. I am in room 402.
Yes, Mr. Smith. What can I do for you?
I have a problem. The room is very hot. The air conditioning is not cold.
Oh, I am very sorry.
Can you fix it?
Yes, I will send a man. He will fix the air conditioning. He will come to your room now. Is that okay?
Yes, thank you. That is okay.
Okay. He will come in 10 minutes. Thank you for calling.
Good. You reported a problem. You were polite. You said, I have a problem. Then you explained the problem.
Yes. The room is very hot. The air conditioning is not cold. These are clear sentences the hotel can understand.
Sometimes the problem is bigger. They cannot fix it fast. Then you need a new room. Let us role play that.
Okay, I will call the front desk again. The problem is not fixed.
Front desk, how can I help you?
Hello, this is Liam Smith, room 402. The air conditioning is still not working. The room is still hot.
Oh, I am so sorry, Mr. Smith. The man is busy. He cannot come now.
Oh, that is a problem. The room is too hot. I cannot sleep.
I understand. I am very sorry. We have another room. It is room 505. The air conditioning is good there.
Is it the same type of room?
Yes, it is the same. It is a good room.
Okay, that is good. I will take room 505.
Okay, please come to the desk. I will give you the new key. I am very sorry for the problem.
Thank you. I will come now.
Okay, now I have a new room. The problem is solved.
You did it. You were patient. You were polite. You said, the room is too hot. I cannot sleep. This is clear. The hotel helped you.
So first we checked in, then we asked questions, then we reported a problem. We learned a lot.
Let us review the words. We will say them slowly.
Okay, Listen.
Front desk.
Receptionist.
Booking/reservation.
Passport.
Room key.
Breakfast time.
Wi-Fi.
Password.
I have a problem.
Air conditioning.
Too hot/too cold.
Can you fix it?
Another room. Please say these words. Practice them. It is good for you. Imagine you are in a hotel. Your room is too cold. What do you say to the receptionist? Write your sentence in the comments.
For example, my room is too cold, or the air conditioning is too cold. We will read your sentences. We love to see you practice.
Thank you for learning with us. You are a great student.
Please practice every day. Your English will get better, you will see.
Thank you for liking our video. Thank you for subscribing.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.